welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you how you can make your own foaming face wash using all natural ingredients. This foaming face wash helps to fight acne, it helps to prevent the appearance of aging, and it's, like I said, it's all natural. We do have a lot of foaming face wash you can purchase from the shops, but they contain chemicals that are not very good for us. So I've been trying to make a lot of my beauty products at home, and I found them really helpful and very easy to make. So in today's video, it's going to be about making your own foaming face wash using natural ingredients. So please stay tuned. So to make your foaming face wash, you need a foam dispenser. So I'm going to use this one in this video, and then you need some liquid castile soap. So I've got this organic liquid castile soap. Castile soap is a natural liquid made from vegetable oils, and it's really good for the skin. So it's made from vegetable oils. It's a natural liquid. It's made from vegetable oils and it's very good for the skin. So you need 60 mils of your liquid castile soap. So I've already measured some liquid, poured out some liquid castile soap into this cup, and this is a 60 ml cup. So I'm gonna put some of it here, which is 60 ml, and I'm going to put this in the bottle. Okay, so you need some witch hazel. Witch hazel is very good. It helps to remove excess oil from the skin, and it helps to fight acne. So I'm going to add some witch hazel. So I'm going to just use 1 teaspoon of my witch hazel, and I'm going to put that in this cup to make it easier for me to pour in the bottle. So I'll add my witch hazel to my liquid castile soap, and in this video I'm going to be using some vegetable glycerin. Glycerin is very good. It is optional though, but glycerin glycerin is a good skin product. It helps to moisturize and cleanse the skin. So I'm going to be using some vegetable glycerin. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Like I said, this is optional. You don't have to use it. So that's 1 teaspoon of my vegetable glycerin, and I'm going to add that to what I've already got in the bottle. And then you need some essential oil. You need some lavender essential oil, you need tea tree essential oil, and you need some lemongrass essential oil. So I'm going to add 5 drops of each of the essential oil into my castile soap, my witch hazel, and the glycerin. So this is lavender. I'm going to add 5 drops of my lavender into this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So lavender is very good. It's relaxing and it helps to fight acne. And then I'm gonna add some lemongrass essential oil. I'm adding 5 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil contains antifungal, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties, so it helps to fight acne as well. That's 5. And then you need some tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil contains anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to fight acne. So I'm going to add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm just going to swirl what I've already got in this bottle. And then just swirl, just try to get them mixed properly. I'm going to put the lid on and just okay. So then we are going to add our distilled water. It's good to use distilled water because it contains less impurities. So it's better than using tap water or any other water because the impurities have been removed. So I'm going to use half cup of my distilled water. So half cup, a cup is 240 ml. Like I said, half cup is 120. If your liquid castile soap is not thick enough, you can reduce the amount of distilled water you're using. So I'm using 120 ml of distilled water, and I'm going to add the distilled water to what I've already got in the bottle. Be sure to leave some space, a little bit of space in the bottle. And then I'm going to put the lid back on. And just gently just mix everything together gently. I'm not going to shake it vigorously, otherwise it's going to you're going to get a mess. So, and that's it. That's your liquid foaming face wash made. You can see so that's it. So you can use this. You can use this anytime to wash your face, get rid of your makeup and everything. And if you start using this, you will see the effect of it. It's really good, and because you can actually adjust the ingredients to suit you, and it doesn't contain all those harsh chemicals that you find in the shop bought ones. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments and your questions below, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.